Hello everyone, welcome back to TPSC Exam Prep YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see top 50 important question for TPSC Combined Exam Preparation. Question number 1. Article 368 of the Indian Constitution deals with answer amending procedure. Question number 2. The theory of separation of powers is a division of power between answer different branches of government. Question number 3. Which of the following article of Indian Constitution ensures freedom of press in India? Answer Article 19. Question number 4. Which one of the following item comes under the concurrent list of Indian Constitution? Answer Education. Question number 5. The words socialist and secular were added to the preamble by answer 42nd Amendment. Question number 6. Article 2 answer Finance Commission. Question number 7. The article of the Indian Constitution deals with the public interest litigation. Answer 226. Question number 8. Who made the following statement in the Constituent Assembly during the Assembly debates? Answer Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 9. The fundamental duties of the Constitution were incorporated on the recommendation of answer Swarm Singh Committee. Question number 10. The Indian Parliament passed the State Reorganization Act in the year answer 1956. Question number 11. Under Article 321 of the Constitution of India, the power to extend functions of the Union Public Service Commission has been vested in the answer Parliament. Question number 12. Under Indian Constitution, who is empowered to make a proclamation of a financial emergency? Answer President. Question number 13. Which of the following is not regarded as a silent feature of Indian Constitution? Answer dual citizenship. Question number 14. The term integrity in the preamble of Indian Constitution was inserted by the answer 42nd Amendment Act. Question number 15. The partition of Bengal was cancelled in which year? Answer 1911. Question number 16. Who founded the Forward Bloc? Answer Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 17. Who administers the oath of the office of the President of India? Answer the Chief Justice of India. Question number 18. Which article points national emergency? Answer Article 52. Question number 19. The Burma Committee of 1999 was appointed in relation with answer identification of legal provision for the implementation of some fundamental duties. Question number 20. How many fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution have? Answer 11. Question number 21. The Supreme Court of India made a special judgment that the basic structure of the Constitution cannot be changed by the Parliament by any amendment in the answer Keshavananda Bharati case. Question number 22. Sarkaria Commission to study center-state relation was set up in answer 1983. Question number 23. 7th schedule of the Constitution deals with answer list of subject for legislation, union list, state list and concurrent list. Question number 24. The presidential form of government operates on the basis of the principle answer separation of power. Question number 25. Which act established the post of Governor General in India? Answer Indian Charter Act 1883. Question number 26. Who among the following was the chairman of Rights Subcommittee of Constituent Assembly? Answer J.B. Kripalini. Question number 27. Which of the following article empowers the President to appoint Prime Minister of India? Answer Article 75. Question number 28. Who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution? Answer Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 29. Which of the following committee which is not related with Panchayat Raj system? Answer B.S. Chauhan Committee. Question number 30. Which among the following right cannot be suspended during the time of national emergency? Answer right to life. Question number 31. The power of the Supreme Court of India to decide disputes between the centre and the states falls under its answer original jurisdiction. Question number 32. The resolution for removing the Vice President of India can be moved in the answer Rajya Sabha alone. Question number 33. Panchayat Raj system of local self-government is incorporated in answer the directive principle of the state policy. Question number 34. The right guaranteed under Article 32 can be suspended. Answer when the proclamation of emergency is in operation. Question number 35. Dash is popularly known as Minto Morelli reforms. Answer Indian Council Act 1909. Question number 36. Joint sitting of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha is presided over by. Answer Speaker of Lok Sabha. Question number 37. Constitution Day is celebrated in India to commemorate. Answer Adoption of Constitution by Constituent Assembly. Question number 38. The fundamental duties of citizens described in which part of the Constitution? Answer Part 4, Article 51. Question number 39. The Cabinet Mission came to India to discuss transfer power to India on. Answer 24th of March 1946. Question number 40. Who presided over the inaugural meeting of the Constituent Assembly? Answer Sachidanand Sinha. Question number 41. Article 19 of the Indian Constitution deals about. Answer right to freedom of speech and expression. Question number 42. The right ensure the fundamental rights of the citizen is. Answer right to constitutional remedies. Question number 44. Fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution have been taken from the. Answer US Constitution. Question number 44. Article 21 of the Constitution of India provides right to dash. Answer education. Question number 45. Which amendment inserted Article 21A into the Indian Constitution? Answer 86th Constitutional Amendment. Question number 46. Article 21 of the Indian Constitution which part of the Indian Constitution right deals to life with the fundamental rights in India? Answer Part 3. Question number 48. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar called dash as the heart and soul of the Constitution. Answer right to constitutional remedies. Question number 49. Who argued the nature of Indian Constitution is a quasi-federal in nature? Answer K.C. Hoyarer. Question number 50. Which constitution amendment brought fundamental duties in Indian Constitution? Answer 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act.